Imagine this. AI isn't just coding your apps anymore. It's building them from scratch, deploying them live and upgrading them on autopilot, all without a single human hitting save. And the blockchain powering this, it's crashing hard right now. Everyone's FOMOing it, sitting at rock bottom prices that scream buy the dip. Everyone's calling the end. It's a failed project. It's a rug pull. But in the next 60 days, this could flip your portfolio upside down. Stick with me. If you're not in on ICP today, you might regret it tomorrow. Let's send it. What's up, legends? It's your boy Domenico, the finance disruptor who's been calling the shots in crypto since the early DeFi days. Today, we're cracking open the hottest and most underrated story in AI meets blockchain. We're talking about the one and only Internet Computer Protocol, or the World Computer, ICP. The sovereign supercomputer that's quietly becoming the operating system for tomorrow's AI overlords. But why now? Because as of September 2025, ICP is hitting peak skepticism, down to 47th on the CoinMarketCap, and whispers of it dropping out below the top 50. But hold up, that's a perfect storm. History shows us that maxed out equals max opportunity. Remember Bitcoin at 300? Ethereum during the DAO hack? Yeah, this is that vibe. And the kicker here is that ICP's new AI toolkit just went live, sparking a rebound that's got insiders buzzing. And there's no accidents that the whales that are holding are at all-time highs in this month of September. There's no accidents to that. And if you're sleeping on this, wake up, because AI native apps are about to flood the market. And ICP's got the tamper-proof backbone to own it all. Let me paint a picture. Think back to 2010. Smartphones were exploding, but most devs were still chained to clunky servers and endless bug fixes. Then boom. Cloud computing hits, and suddenly everyone's building apps at warp speed. But fast forward to today. AI's at next leap, but it's messy. One wrong prompt and your code's a disaster. Data loss, exploits everywhere, and costs skyrocketing. Enter ICP. Let's go back to ICP's origin story. Back in 2018, there was a team of brainiacs at DFINITY who saw a future of the world computer. As you can see here, where blockchains don't just store tokens, they run the entire internet. No middlemen, no downtime, everything on chain and unbreakable. Cut to 2025, while big tech's hoarding AI in closed silos, ICP is flipping the script with tools that let AI handle the whole dev cycle. And you can see here, the internet computer hosts secure network, resident code, and data. Build web apps without big tech and current IT. Applications are immune to cyber attacks and unstoppable, capable of processing tokens and can run under exclusive DAO control. Build Web3 social media, games, DeFi, multi-chain apps, secure front-end ledgers, enterprise apps, and AI models. The internet is evolving fast. And with a world that's bifurcating with war and geopolitical risk, ICP is definitely inevitable. Just watch my last videos and I explain the reasons why ICP is an inevitable global solution to many multi-trillion-dollar problems. And to run a real-world parable, feature a self-driving car factory. Old way, humans design, they assemble, test, slow, error-prone, and expensive. ICP way, think about it. AI designs the blueprint, 3D prints the parts, testing sims, and rolls out, all verifiable and secure. In July, DeFi launched the Hello Self-Writing Internet event in San Francisco in the US. They unveiled Caffeine, an AI powerhouse that's already rebounding in the ICP community. And I have a lot of their friends that have been using it, and they've given me really positive feedback that it's exceeded their expectations. And get this, in just weeks, mid-October, Caffeine's gone fully public to the masses. Let anyone, me, you, the taxi driver, the guy next door, anyone prompt build apps in plain English or any other language. But here's the context you need. Crypto's flooded with hype coins, chasing memes, chasing junk. But ICP, it's the anti-speculation play. This is Web3's first real killer app for the masses, because builders want it, not because they're gambling on pups. And for the advanced folks, you know the drill. Train Fusion for Bitcoin DeFi, Canister smart contracts that scale like crazy, and chain key cryptography is the key. It's like giving AI its own unbreakable Lego set. If that story's got your blood pumping, drop a comment ICP to the moon. And in the comments below, tell me who's with me. All right, let's geek out, but keep it simple. But no PhD is required, and ICP is just another chain. It's engineered for the AI era, and here's the breakdown. First, the foundation. Persistent, fully on-chain storage. Forget juggling databases. Everything lives. Tamper-proof on the blockchain. Fully on-chain. AI rights data, it's etched in stone. No hacks, no leaks. Analogy time. It's like a vault that never forgets versus today's clouds that glitch and vanish your work. Your work goes poof. It can be controlled, can be censored. Cost to store. It's very expensive to store. Second, deterministic compute. AI needs consistency. One run, same result every time. ICP delivers at 1,000 times the speed of traditional clouds, and yet 1,000 times cheaper. But why? Because the network of nodes crunching in parallel, no energy guzzling data centers for autonomous agents, perfection. Run a prediction model 24/7, reproducible, secure, and scalable. So watch my video that I mentioned on AI agents. We're going to have like billions of AI agents to run them securely, safely. ICP, the world computer, is the only solution to do that. You cannot do it on Web 2. Otherwise, each cyber crime is going to go absolute ballistic. Now the magic duo, Motoko and Caffeine. Motoko's ICP native language, clean actor, based like a symphony conductor for smart contracts. It lets AI deploy code instantly, keep state across upgrades, and iterate without drama. Then Caffeine. This is the AI accelerator. You prompt it, build me a decentralized social feed, build me a puzzle game, build me whatever you want to build. Boom, it generates, deploys, and optimizes on ICP. Errors, safe for retirees, no data nukes, code immutable, so bugs can't morph into backdoors. And you have orthogonal persistence to update your dApps safely and securely. Real example. Imagine an AI trading bot for Bitcoin DeFi on AWS. It would be laggy, costly, and hackable. On ICP, it self-deploys via Caffeine, fuses chains for real-time data, and evolves its strategy autonomously. DFINITY's Q4 roadmap for 2025, AI chain fusion exploding, accessibility for no coders, where we all become devs, and competition from Google, sure, but they're centralized. ICP sovereign, decentralized, and yours. And in the era of AI, when cyber crime is going to go parabolic, they cannot avoid that. And the world's going to get more bifurcated with cybersecurity, wars, and of that nature. The decentralized world computer will become the only option to prevent the casualties, put it that way. And for the beginners out there, start here. It's why AI errors become features, not failures. And for the pros, dive into the canister functions for that edge. This stacks 1,000 times faster because it cuts the dev team bloat. AI does the heavy lifting. Are you mind blowing yet? Because I am. Smash like if ICP just leveled up your knowledge. Cool. Hype's great, but actions wins. Here's your playbook to ride this step by step in the next wave. 1. Research deep. Act fast. Head to internetcomputer.org. All the links will be in the description. Skim the roadmap. See Caffeine's early access. Sign up today. Urgency alert. Public launch in weeks means first mover advantage. 2. Wallet up and stake. Grab an ICP wallet like Plug or Stoic. Buy low now. At these FUD prices, it's a steal. Do your own research. Watch all my videos. Take the time to dig deep. Watch me. Watch other ICP people on YouTube. They'll tell you, the value of this ecosystem. Do your own research. Just don't depend on us to give you the research. Figure it out for yourself. You can stake for cycles. That's how ICP's gas to power your own AI experiments. 3, build or back. New to coding, use Motoko's tutorials in DFINITY's forum. Prop Caffeine for your first step, like a trustless analytics tool. Advance, you can fork a repo, integrate chain fusion for big TC yields. Pro tip, start small, deploy a Hello World agent, and watch itself upgrade. And 4, network like a boss. Join ICP Discord or X Spaces. Insiders are dropping gems on AI native SaaS. Comment below, guys. What's your first ICP build? And I'll shout out the best ones. This isn't theory. It's your edge in a world where AI builds empires overnight. We are going to have single individuals building $1 billion companies themselves with Caffeine AI. That is only a matter of time. Even Wang, Wang, the builder for Meta, the 20-year-old builder, Wang, he said they're using code vibing. We're going to have like 13-year-olds in their basement building $1 billion companies. Yet, most likely they're going to be doing it with Caffeine AI. Listen, the irony. While everyone's bearish on ICP, calling it dead, this is near the bottom. Max belief, that's the adoption doorbell ringing. Caffeine's public, very soon. It's coming in mid-October. Self-writing apps, flooding. Trustless agents running wild. And we're talking about the first wave of AI-powered sovereign services that never sleep. Then we're going to be talking humanoids, robotics. The AI productivity boom kicks off next year. Just watch my videos. This is going to go up to the right. No speculation, pure utility. Your portfolio could and should be 10x by 26 if you move now. Do your research, not financial advice. And we can even see here, as Dom said on X, the AIX internet revolution is coming on ICP. Self-writing sovereign web applications and internet services that the owners can update in real time by talking. The internet computer has been designed for this and has been working on this for years. Today, I want to explore this topic in a bit of depth for the first time. Please note, this area of work is not to be confused with AI capabilities of ICP's networks for newcomers. The internet computer is unequivocally the only public network in the world that can host and run AI in the mode of smart contracts, which makes its network resident and decentralized and secure and unstoppable. For example, I recently demonstrated an on-chain neural network performing facial recognition, and pending enhancements to the ICP protocol will all allow LLMs to run as smart contracts too. So think about it. When your AI is full decentralized on-chain, AI needs to be autonomous, unstoppable, and secure in the era of humanoids, robotics, AI agents. ICP is a solution and the only solution for safe, ethical, guardian AI. Just think about how much that opportunity will be worth in the future, in the next 3, 5, 10 years. This is the medium long-term vision. See, a lot of people, they read the tweets, but they don't really think in depth of how the meaning is so critical to solving multi-trillion dollar solutions. That's how you got to think. DFINITY is solving problems. It's like any successful business. You need to solve problems. If you solve problems, the business is going to be successful. And that's all my successful investments in my career have always been the businesses that are able to solve real world problems. More problems they can solve with more value, more long-term value they're going to have. And ICP is inevitable. It's not a thing that's just going to solve the problem in a day. They are working on it. They've got a 20-year roadmap. Go to internetcomputer.org. All the links are in there. Read their roadmap. This is no joke. This is no joke. But don't just watch. You need to join the revolution. Like this video. And if you're buying the dip, comment. I'm in on ICP. Let's build a community of winners together. Subscribe and hit the bell, because we're going to drop a lot of gems going forward. We need to share this video to the masses that are in crypto web 2, following shit coins that have no utility. They're going to have no network mass adoption. They don't serve a purpose at all. They just literally an ERC20 token wrapped up. That's all they are. They're a shitcoin. You won't want to miss the future videos that are coming up because I have a lot of alpha dropping in regards to the ICP ecosystem. This is it, fam. The internet's getting its unbreakable, self-evolving brain. And ICP is not a coin. It's the future. Don't let the news, don't let the media, don't let the price action fudge you out. Because in the heart of capitulation is where the best opportunities come. And I could tell you this from firsthand from my investment experience. So recap. AI's self-building on ICPs, tamper-proof rails, faster, cheaper, unbreakable, peak FUD, your green light. Act today, research, stake, and fucking build because the sovereign stack is here and it's unstoppable. Nothing is stopping this train. Thanks for riding with me today. And we are the early adopters who change this game. I'll see you in the next one and peace out.